up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel today. Today is a very special day actually. We just got confirmation last night from the wrap shop that the car is finally ready for pickup. Dropped it off about 2 weeks ago. It's felt like months, it felt like forever. Pause the video right now, drop a comment on what color you guys think the car got wrapped, and yeah, I'm just ready to pick this car up. It's been forever and I honestly miss driving that thing. Right now I'm headed to the train station downtown. I'm going to drop this car off and then get on the train to Santa Barbara. So yeah, I'll catch you guys there.
Tear it out. Nah, never mind.
Yo.
Oh my god, it looks so much more different in person.
Big shout out to Eddie. He wrapped my car and installed the airlift 3-piece suspension. If you guys are in Santa Barbara, LA area, hit him up for your wrap needs, air suspension, or just general repairs. This is how the wrap came out. It is Tech Wrap Black Cherry Ice, basically a midnight purple wrap. In the middle of the IPO bumper right here, had it wrapped gloss black, and then we kept everything else purple. But to complement the black in the front, we also wrapped the roof gloss black. It makes the antenna stand out a lot better. And we also ended up wrapping the carbon roof spoiler that we took off in gloss black since it was faded. And to tie the whole black theme together, we also got this wrapped in gloss black. It's kind of hard to tell since this color is dark in the shade. And then since we're back here, we also got a F1 style diffuser with a 370Z brake light, smoked. And we also had this diffuser painted gloss black. Had to do a bunch of trimming to make the tome fit. This is how the third brake light looks when you step on the brakes. Has a really nice touch to the car, especially at nighttime. Right here we got some mud guards that we also got wrapped in the Tech Wrap Black Cherry Ice. Just adds to the rear end, ties it all together. If you guys watched the previous video where you got rear-ended in the Jeep, we ended up fixing all that. They sanded it down and we fixed our trunk. So we ended up getting the back portion of the trunk wrapped purple, just so the damage could be a little bit more hidden. And we ended up leaving the top carbon fiber flows really nicely with the limo tints and the black roof. For the trunk setup, I ended up cutting my OEM mat into shape with some wood. Forgot what type of wood it was, but we cut that into shape, and then we put that in here and had it sanded down and wrapped in a white with a purple reflective pearl. I don't know, it's not gonna really show up because we're in the shade, but you can kind of see it right here. And we ended up running a dual compressor setup on airlift 3-piece suspension. We ended up getting the 4-gallon tank powder coated in illusion purple. We ended up getting a manifold glow mount and a manifold stand from Classy House Productions, and I got this custom manifold plate that lights up in my brand logo. We also ended up getting a custom ashtray delete with dual USBs right here and a voltmeter in there and a 12 volt to go to my radar detector. We had my cup holder overlaid in carbon fiber, and we made the little cubby that was in here into a voltmeter to show the battery voltage. And then we also got a custom airlift controller mount in the cup holder. You guys saw the trunk setup. That means we are officially bagged. So I'm going to show you guys the presets I have for the air suspension setup. So right now I'm gonna put it to ride height. That is my ride height. I kept it higher in the fronts because California freeways suck and my under tray scrapes a lot. But I will air it out now for you guys. Ended up adjusting my toe angle and reducing a degree of camber, which will be in another video that comes out soon, because it chewed up my tires in 2 weeks. So we had to sacrifice some camber for better tire life. So it's basically fender to lip. I can lower it a bit more to show you guys how it's gonna look like. So that is basically the fitment right now. That's as low as it'll go. It is not zeroed out, but if I air it out all the way, it's basically going to destroy the quarter panel. So pretty tight fitment. Fitment is basically fender to lip. It is a slight tuck, I'm assuming, but from what I can tell, it's basically fender to lip. About, I'd say, -5 degrees of camber aired out. Definitely can use some work in the future with some adjustable spring buckets, but that will be for another video, obviously. But for now, this is what we are working with. The fronts, we need some spacers to fill in that slight gap right there. Let me know what you guys think about the new Black Cherry Ice wrap by Tech Wrap and the air suspension that we just got installed on the G37. Completely transformed the car's look. And there's much more to come for this car, but that will be for other videos. Car has come along a long way. Hope you guys are enjoying this content on the G. Subscribe and like if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.